What's up, lawn care family? If you're not on Yardbook, what are you waiting on? What's up, lawn care family? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care. Today I thought I'll do another tutorial on Yardbook. A lot of people have been asking me questions about Yardbook, and I'm seeing that a lot of you guys, a lot of you fam, are not using Yardbook, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best softwares for lawn care service providers for free. So what I wanted to talk about today is how you can use Yardbook as a web page and actually create a profile that your customers can find on the internet, especially if you don't have a website. So basically, when you log on, hopefully you already have Yardbook. What you'll do is you'll log on and you'll click on this blue icon right here in the top left-hand corner. Click on it. Hopefully you already have a logo selected. If not, please go ahead and put your logo. What you want to do is then click on create, modify your profile, your public profile. This is what your customer is going to see online. So you click that, and basically right here you just start with step one. It's basically asking you to put your business name into the search box. So just like my business name, Cutz, and as you can see, it populated. Boom, you click on it, and basically you'll go to your page. But let me go back so you can see something else. So if you don't have one, you got to go to step two, and you have to create your profile from scratch. Once you create your profile, it'll be some, little bit of information you need to put in there. You'll see it populate on this page when you come to it. So what I'm going to do is go to the profile to edit it. So I click edit, and this is what you'll have if you're creating your profile from scratch. Put your information in, just like you see mine. I already have a website, so I'll put an additional website in there. You have Facebook, you put Facebook in. Then you want to say some information about your business. I just keep my information just basic. So I just, you can see it right here. Cutz Premium Lawn Care is a local lawn care company based in Conyers, Georgia. Make sure you put that information in, and then you have the opportunity to add photos. Guys, if you're not taking photos of your work while you're out doing the work, it's not helping you. I know a lot of times you try to figure out, how do you have time to take pictures of yourself? How do you have time to take pictures of you doing work? I'm telling you, if you don't find the time, it's not going to help you grow. Because what you're going to do is you're going to load these pictures up into your profile, and people want to see your work. People want to see you. People want to see your company logo. So I do take the time to show my take the photos, and I have an iPhone, guys. And I was against iPhone for a long time. But I'm glad I bought an iPhone. The reason why I bought an iPhone, I need to do a video on it, why I bought an iPhone. It definitely helps your business grow. Quality of pictures, the quality of videos is phenomenal compared to other cameras. So as you can see, I got my photos in there, and you also are able to do testimonials. Testimonials, I got one person, found my website after I did this service. They was nice enough to put me one up. You can use credit cards. You can scope the area. You can draw a map on how you want your business. And as you can see, this is mine. I just came up with what I thought would be the area I wanted to service. You can do that as well. This is why this software is so important. You can even do coupons for your customers. You can create coupons, send it to them however you want to do them, and It's there. You can set up your how to contact you and everything. So just a little bit of what Yardbook is capable of doing. So what I'm going to do is now show you my my actual profile. This is my actual profile that I see. As a matter of fact, I think this is the profile that my customers will see. As you can see, it's nice. Got your pictures up. Got a little information about myself here. And what people want to see, they want to see the pictures. That's exactly what they want to see. And I take a lot of pictures. And I put them up. So when my customers come to or find the profile on the internet, they got me. They can hit right here, get a quote. They can pay online as well. Now I'm going to the home. Now, just so you know, it's an edit button right here. You can edit anything you want to do, and that's going back to that profile again. So I'm gonna go to home, and when I'm gonna go back to the actual create and modify profile. And what I want to show you is it's the public. This is the home page. This is the home page where a person will see on the internet your information. See that? It's exactly what they see. So if they find me on the internet through Yardbook, boom, I can give them a quote. They can click that button. They can pay online, and it's just a small information. There go my testimonial. There go my work, my photos. And guys, this is for especially for those who do not have a website. This is a free website for you that you can at least get started and have something to show online. So if you don't use this, I ask that why are you not using a free software? Free. I can't express it any more than that. It's free. So hopefully this tutorial, I know it's a short tutorial, can help you guys out and coming up with ways of putting yourself on the internet for free where customers can find you, and over time you can build a larger customer base. And that's pretty much it. Cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm Vic, and I'm cutting out. Peace.